Above, beyond, always. Those words capture the heart of what MORryde tries to do every day when dealing with our customers. At our core, we just want to treat people the way that we'd like to be treated. No one department at MORryde captures this effort more than our service department, where we meet RVers from all over the country. As we help them with upgrades to their RV, we also hear some of their stories. We thought we'd let you meet some of these people and hear their stories as well. It's part of what makes the RV lifestyle unique and attractive to so many people.
I'm Jerry.
I'm Sherry.
And we're from the Litchfield, Ohio, which is just south of Cleveland. And we really wanted to hit the open road and see what this country has to offer and just some of the beautiful sights out there. We wanted to get on the open road and get to experience some of that.
We had that luxury of having the summertime to do a little bit of traveling. We're only a few years out from retirement, so we're getting a taste of it now and getting everything established, especially the needs and wants of what we need to have a nice, trustworthy rig on the road.
Our friend had an RV, and we actually had the experience of going with them one time before, and we loved it. We fell in love immediately with getting out on the open road. It's a New Horizons fifth wheel, and we just love it. First, the company itself really did an outstanding job of allowing us to put together the package that we really want that would fit our needs. It was just building a custom home. And the structure of it was the strong foundation, and the MORryde system really was the icing on the cake. It was a no-brainer when you look at the straight axle setup, and I've dealt with a lot of trailers in some of the industries I've been in. I also do marine work on the side, and I've worked on a lot of boat trailers, and I've seen what the straight axles and what they go through and the abuse that they take and how they just can't hold up to it. And like I said before, building an RV like this, we were like building a home, and I wanted to have a really good, strong foundation underneath me. I wanted something that was going to take the beating, because we know what the roads are like, and so I wanted something that's trustworthy and it's going to last a long time. And it was a no-brainer when they offered up the MORryde Independent Suspension. It hands down showed and proved to me that it can withstand that. We've already traveled some with it, and just going down the roads, you can just tell the difference in the ride. Even inside of the RV itself, we've always heard the horror stories of it's like a mini earthquake with inside of it, and we've actually accidentally left some things out, and we've traveled down some rough roads going east and west on 70, and when we hit those and we got out, we were like, oh, we forgot this, and it was still right where we left it. And that's a big plus right there. Plus, you know, these things going down the road at 65 miles an hour, they're gonna take some wear, and if you don't have that suspension underneath it, you're gonna have some breakage no matter what you own.